The 1964 next in line, the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Tell you what, these 1964s are really coming on strong as of late. They really seem to be more and more popular than they've ever been, and they've always been a popular car. But they just seem to be getting more and more activity. This one's maroon metallic over black, 38,000 actual miles. And I had somebody ask me the other day about original miles, and I don't buy any of those cars have original miles like that. And, how can you say that they do? Well, we can only say that they do if we have bulletproof documentation that they do have low miles. Their title has to be actual miles and it has to be within the range. We have to run the VIN check on it to make sure that it shows that there wasn't any odometer setback or anything like that. If there's receipts and documentation and paperwork, and we look at all that. So we don't just willy-nilly say, oh, it shows 30,000 miles on the odometer. It must be your actual miles.
Yeah, you can't take that for gospel.
No, it could have turned over 10 times.
Right. But usually when a car is sold, there's always title mileage verification.
Exactly.
And if not, then it's a crapshoot.
Yeah, you just don't know, and you have to say true mileage unknown.
Right.
And because a lot of times back in the days, especially in Pennsylvania, they would take a car that was 10 years and older and mark it exempt. Because mileage at 10 years and older has no legal bearing.
Well, it only had 5-digit odometers, too, for how many decades?
Exactly. So check that Impala out when you get a chance.